Hey guys, what's going on? This is Donovan, and today I'm going to talk about plantar fasciitis, which is pain under your foot. And most people try to relieve it with this ball by rolling their foot on it, and that gives temporary relief, but actually it can be referred pain from your calf, having tight calves. So today I'm going to tell you how to self-myofascial release your calf. So let's sit down over here, and basically put two thumbs behind your calf, and you're going to press this and be a little bit tender, and you're going to move your foot at the exact same time like this. And it's going to be a little bit tender, and you go down the whole calf, super tender. And I'm going to go to the side of my calf, and I'll rip that calf up, and I go all the way down, super tender. But this helps relieve the plantar fasciitis because it's getting pulled back by the heel. So you want to make sure that this is relaxed to stop referring pain in the bottom of your foot. And if you want to take it to another level, you get adjusted by your chiropractor. They adjust your heel and your whole entire foot to help relax all the muscles around your foot. And that's all for today. Leave a comment if this helped you, and leave a request. Peace.
Oh!